Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to programmatically move a file to thrash in native macOS application. So let's get started. So I have this button called pick video, and if I click on it, it opens our file explorer, and if I select this particular video, if I open it, it has moved to thrash. Now if I open thrash, here you can see it has moved to thrash. If I open pick video again, if I click on pick video again, here you can see there is no more video file present. So that's how you can do it. Now you can do it for any of this file. I did it specifically for video file because to move a file to thrash, you require a URL of that particular file, and if I use this pick video filter, it would automatically do pick video for me. That's why, just for convenience sake, but you can select any kind of file. You just require the URL for that file which you want to move it to thrash. So here you can see I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. You don't require this AVKit dependency. I have just created one NS button, and here I am initializing it, and as you can see over here, I have added one click listener to our button as well, and added some NS layout constraints over here. Once you click on the button, I am using an NS open panel. Here you can filter by whatever you feel like. I am just filtering it by videos. Even you don't need all this stuff, you just need the URL. So to quickly get a URL of the file, I used this NS open panel, and here allow multiple selection is false. Okay, and here once we get this URL, we just get hold of our file manager, then our NS URL, and all you have to do is try file manager.thrash item, pass the URL, so this one, and here we pass the resulting item URL. So if it is sent to thrash, then you come over here, file was moved to the thrash. Oh, I don't know why I have written this twice. Okay, let me quickly check which one gets called, because even I am confused. I'll quickly move this to my downloads. Okay, and I'll click on open. Okay, so this I think this gets called file was moved to thrash. This should be file not moved to thrash. I'll quickly run it again just to be extra sure. Move it to downloads again. I'll click on pick video, select my file. Yeah, so this gets called file was moved to thrash. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, one more thing. You will also have to go inside your sign in and capabilities, and given that I'm using NS open panel, here inside user selected file, I have to add this read/write permission as well, because only if you have the right permission, because I'm not creating this file from my own app, right? I'm selecting one file which is present on the user's device, then only I can move this file to thrash if I have the right permission for it. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.